So, as you all know, regarding magnetic effect of electric current, we have started. Namaste, Arjun. Namaste, namaste. So we have started. We have done one lecture of magnetic effect of electric current. This is the second session. In the first session, we have realized there was scientist named. What was the name of the scientist on which the chapter has started? Anyone can tell? Oersted.
Oersted.
What Oersted has told?
So he discovered the
Magnetic
magnetic
field
field.
exists.
So this chapter was started by Oersted, and Oersted let us know that any current carrying wire can produce magnetic field. Means from this electrical energy which is flowing in the current carrying wire, electrical energy is getting converted into magnetic field is getting created, right? Magnetic field is getting created. It means electrical energy convert into magnetic form of energy, right? Magnetic field, that is, right? So when we take a wire, how exactly the magnetic field create? Kaisa magnetic field banta hai when a current flow? Hello Prithvi, you are here. Ashna, you are here now. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so all of you on your camera, right? Don't be, we are interacting so much, so there is no no need of kind of hesitation in these things. Okay, so we have a current carrying wire. So a current carrying wire can produce magnetic field which are
Anticlockwise.
concentric circles. You know concentric circles like this. Two circles are here where the center is the same, right? Concentric circles, right? So the circle will be like that, right? Anyone have issue up to that? किसी को अभी यहाँ तक problem है?
No, sir.
Now come to the next point. We have also in your boards, it is asked that why magnetic field do not cross each other. Why magnetic field do not cross each other? Can anyone tell me the answer?
Sir, because if they will cross, then the compass will have to show two directions, but it is not possible.
Why it is not possible?
Just because compass can point towards only one direction.
So good, Mansi. All of you good. I know. Tell me. Anyone telling more?
So because the magnetic field always comes from negative to positive. So when two magnetic field lines go from negative to positive, both are the same charge, so they will repel each other.
Definitely what happens now, for suppose there is one north here and here is south, right? And here another magnet is here, it is north and here it is south, okay? For suppose magnet releases this magnetic field, right? Right now, so when we close this, for suppose this N is coming here and now this, if I take it here and now I am taking closer, right? So what will happen? We are expecting that these two magnetic field lines cross each other, right? But this doesn't happen. What exactly then happen?
Sir, they repel each other.
Sir, they exert pressure on each other.
What
Yes.
changes happens? What changes happens in magnetic? Humara, silent it, a little bit of noise. So what exactly happens when they repel each other? I understand.
Repel each other.
I know they repel each other, but what changes happens with magnetic field?
Force
They will not, anyhow, they will not intersect each other. Anyhow, I'm telling. If I'm taking this north here and north here, okay, the magnetic field lines will never intersect. Even this, we will draw a line now. These lines, I'm not able to draw, but these lines will not intersect anyhow. Get my point? And that's why they show repulsion. Nahi jayenge, right? Getting my point? Okay?
Yes.
So the point comes to the question that why they do not cross each other? For suppose if they cross each other, so at the point of intersection, the magnetic, if I take this one, magnetic field will align in this direction. And for this magnetic field, magnet will align, magnetic needle will align in this direction. So at the same point, we cannot see two directions of magnetic needle. It is only in this direction. Why? Because actually the magnetic field actually changes, right? Either it was going like that, but it doesn't happen. It will do like that. Okay. They will not cross each other. Now coming to the next point, all of you know right hand thumb rule now? Right hand thumb rule.
Yes.
What about it is?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone explain? Come in front, and it is very easy. Right hand thumb rule. Humaira?
So can I?
Anyone. Vagisha, on your camera, be frank and tell me.
Sir, in
Yes,
right
sir.
hand thumb will show the direction of current and the fingers will show the magnetic field.
Anyone more? Anyone more?
Sir,
Want to
may
tell?
I?
Tell very frankly. Tell.
Sir,
Sir, in
the right hand thumb rule tells that
Mhm.
the current flow is perpendicular to the magnetic field, which is in the concentric circles around the flow of current.
As we know that in a current carrying wire, suppose it is going in down direction, right? It is going in down direction. All of you get ready. I'm creating actually a question. Okay. Current is going in from, for suppose we have north, we have south, it is east, it is west, right? All of you get ready. Okay. So now all of you can, Hana, do right hand thumb rule now. All of you can do the right hand thumb rule. So according to that, how the magnetic field, right? Hana, I will do what? I will point, I will take my right hand, okay? Then I will point downward. All of you, take your hands out. सबको अपना हाथ बाहर निकालो. Then you will point it down, right? You will point it down, right? So you will grab like that. You will grab that like. ठीक है ना? ऐसा होगा ना? This is the direction of the wire downward. So you will grab like that. So it means what? That current is getting outside here and getting inside it, right? Inside, I'm making it dot. This is the direction. All of you can agree on this thing?
Yes.
sir.
yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So my question, should I ask my question? All of you get ready. In left of wire, what is the direction in the left of wire? That is A, and this one is behind. Actually, it is inside the page. Hana, it is on the page A, B, C, and this is out of the page, this D point. Okay, you can see this one is a 3D diagram. This portion is coming out of the page, this one is going into the page, right? So if this one is pointy, so all of you can let me know in the left of the wire, that is A, what is the direction of magnetic field? Magnetic field denoted by B. Okay.
north.
Sir,
Sir, clockwise.
no.
So to the north.
West to the north.
More answers I need. Tell your answer.
So from west to north.
Any other? Fast.
West to the north.
Any more answers?
Please repeat the question.
Question is very simple. This one is a wire, which is the current is going downward. This will be the magnetic field, right? This CDA is coming out of the page and ABC is going into the page. This is a 3D diagram. Concentric circle, right? Circle. So in the left of wire, that is at point this, what is the direction of magnetic field?
Towards south, sir.
Magnetic field.
Towards south.
Towards south.
It can be
South.
east. See, the options are east, west, north, south, out of the page, into the page.
Sir, into the page.
Take your time. We have 6 options. East, west, north, south, out of the page, into the page.
Sir, into the page.
Out of the way.
And more answers?
Out
of
of the
the-
page.
Out of page. Should I start now? We should start, right? We have less time, right? So if I talk about this, if I come to this point now, what is the point A? Okay. Come to this point A. the magnetic field is going inward, right? अंदर की ओर जा रहा है ना? This magnetic
Yes,
field
sir.
has the direction of this, na? So at this point, I will do what? I will draw a tangent, right? So this tangent is going where?
Inside this paper.
Inside the page. North is above, not ऊपर है. ये पेज के अंदर जा रहा है. It's going into the page. Who have problem? Let me know. Fast. Let me know.
Sir, but this type of question will not come like into the page or outside.
NCERT has this type of
direction.
question. No excuse, please. Out of the page, into the page. It's easy. Burger easy only.
Sir, can you explain again?
It is easy, but these type of questions will come in board.
Definitely it can come. This is not a difficult question. You can see this magnetic field is, if it is circle, magnetic field is going inside the page.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is also going to north direction.
See, north is above, right? North is above. You can see this one is a 3D photo. I make it dot. Why? Because it is showing that magnetic field is going into the page, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is very clear. It is going into, if I will ask at point C where it is going?
Outside
the page.
It is coming out of the page. This
Outside
is
the page,
out of page. Okay. If I ask you about B point, then B is inside, right? Where at this point B, where is the direction? What is the direction of magnetic field at point B?
Of the page.
Be very practical. I'm curving like that, right? है ना, ये देखो मेरा हाथ यहाँ into the page जा रहा है, ठीक है? Here it is getting out of the page. At point B, B is behind, right? B पीछे है. So where is the direction of magnetic field at point B?
Out of the page.
Out of the page.
behind the
It is going, I draw a tangent now. I will draw a tangent. So it will go from west to east.
behind the page.
No, it is not going into the page or coming out of the page. It is behind the page, but the direction is west to east. Tangent, I told la, kisi point pe I have to tell the direction of magnetic field. I will draw a tangent. It is going from west to east. At this point D,
So the direction would be east.
it is in the east direction. From west to east it is going. At this point, it is going from east to west. Okay, calm down. I'm giving questions. I will give questions. Come to the next point. Okay, come to the next point. All of you get ready. I'm going to talk about Fleming's left hand rule in easy peasy burger cheesy way. Okay, get ready. Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, all of you have pen now. Take it out. All of you take out the pen, right? And take out your left hand, right? All of you on your camera, This one is left hand. Okay. So first on your camera, then only this is actually a 3D chapter. Now I require this video kind thing. Okay. So first we have to remember what this hand denote which direction? Left hand, not right hand. Left hand. Abhinav, take out your left hand. So this one is which hand? Left hand. And this will denote which चीज है ना, ये किसको denote करता है? This hand
Magnetic field.
This will denote magnetic field, right?
Magnetic field.
This will denote
Current.
right in your copy. Here it is right magnetic field. In your hand, right from the pen. Seeko, take your time. This is very important. Right here, magnetic field. I will directly come to the question. Just understand. Right here, magnetic field. Okay. Right now, all of you done? Right here, magnetic field. Done? Then you, when I will turn up, confused ho jaoge. Isliye right. Okay. Here you have right now magnetic field. Right? Then here it is. ये क्या है middle one?
Motion.
Current. Right, current. This
Yes,
one is
sir.
current. Mind में चला गया ना? Remember these two things done. Naveen, written ना?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है. So this finger is called
The magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
See what I am asking. This finger is called which finger?
Index finger.
Index finger.
Index finger. This
Index
middle,
finger.
index finger is representing
Magnetic field.
this middle finger representing
Current.
current. So you have to understand, let your hands here, okay? So you have to understand that whenever, for suppose, in this room, for suppose I am in this room, okay? You are in your room now. So in this room, for suppose, take out your hand. Okay, in this room, you can see, Hana, for suppose, there is a magnetic field in this direction, okay? Okay, north, south, east, or west, okay? So magnetic field, this one is what? Magnetic field, magnetic field. So which hand is representing magnetic field?
Index
Index
finger.
Index finger.
Index finger. So all of you, अपना hand उसी direction में
Index
करो.
finger.
Ritvik, on your camera. I am on camera. तब समझ में आएगा. All of you done now. Now, for suppose there is a wire. For suppose there is a wire. Okay. The wire, in the wire now, current is flowing in this direction. This is wire and the current direction is this one. Ready? So I will take my middle finger in this downward direction. अपना हाथ निकालो बच्चा, तब समझ में आएगा. Take out your hand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of you take out your hand. नहीं तो फिर क्रॉस करेगा, अभी घुमाएंगे तो, ठीक है ना? अभी इसको हल्के से नहीं लेना. So see, magnetic field is going in direction, right? जो आपके सामने नजर आ रहा है. And current is going in where?
Downward direction.
Downward direction. Then
direction.
जब ये केस होता है ना, whenever this case happens, है ना, what happens now? On the wire a force will exist. एक भूत आएगा, like उस wire पे force करेगा. This situation happens when magnetic field and wire, current carrying wire, not, है ना, wire नहीं, current carrying wire is perpendicular to each other. See, this is 90 degree to each other. So whenever these two are perpendicular to each other now, what happens now? See your thumb. Thumb किधर है?
Towards
Sir, up direction.
आपकी तरफ है ना? आपकी तरफ है ना?
Yes, sir.
Towards yourself
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
वो जो वायर है ना, वो आपकी तरफ
Yes.
झटका खाकर आएगा. On wire ना, a force will come suddenly and the wire will come in your direction. Suddenly it will happen whenever we supply है ना, current in the wire and magnetic field perpendicular to each other. Are you able to realize this thing?
Yes.
All of you ready?
Yes.
समझ में आया ना सबको?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
whenever magnetic field and current perpendicular to each other, then what happens?
The force exerted will be
Perpendicular.
towards us.
Suddenly a force generates and that is denoted by this thumb. All of you agree?
Yes. Yes.
सबको समझ में आ गया है? Now just a second.
Yes.
Now ready for the questions, okay? I'm ready for the questions now.
Sir, that force is called what?
This force is normal force. It is named as Lorentz force that we will study in 12. But right now we don't know this. We need not need to know this name. This force is especially called Lorentz force. Okay. So now I'm not able to see the chat because I'm busy here. Okay. All of you ready? ठीक है. Whenever Abhishek, see all of you. Just you have in what is exactly in Fleming's left hand rule, that whenever that magnetic field and current perpendicular to each other, अगर ऐसा situation create होगा, then a force will generate. ठीक है, right? A force will generate. सबको समझ में आया? And,
Yes, sir.
and yeah,
Yes,
this,
sir.
so and this will created only when there is some angle between these two. Yani current and now question will come in the examination. Like, see, this force is creating na, which is coming in our direction, right? This is coming out, है ना, हमारे तरफ आ रहा है, right? So the question will come in the examination when magnetic field and wire are in the same direction, तब कोई force produce होगा. See, like this,
No.
right? Like this, na, magnetic field and current are in the same direction, right? Right now, In this case, no force will generate. Force will generate only when there is some angle between magnetic field and current. Getting my point very clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And see the
Yes, sir.
maximum
Yes,
force.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And the next question, the maximum force generates when the angle between magnetic field and the wire, current carrying wire, is 90 degree. Then
90 degrees.
then maximum force generate. All of you remember this line. When maximum force generate, when magnetic field
When the
and
magnetic
current
field and
carrying wire
current
are
is
perpendicular to each other. Very good. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So ready for the next craziness. Okay, ready for the next level.
Sir,
All
can
of
you
you,
please repeat it again?
I said that whenever the magnetic field and the current carrying wire have 90 degree to each other, then maximum force will generate. जोड़ का धक्का, right? And when there is no angle, जैसे जैसे ये angle कम होगा ना between magnetic field and current, जैसे है ना, whenever like angle will get lesser, Gautam, then the force will reduce. Okay? When you come to class 11th, you will hear cross product. तब थोड़ा और science समझ में आएगा. Then you will do that calculation, cross product. Right now, just in class 10, what is Fleming's left hand rule? Wherever like Hana, current carrying wire and magnetic field perpendicular to each other, the force will generate. This is Fleming's left hand rule only. EG, PG, burger, cheese. In class 11, 12, you will do calculation also. Should we start, right? Come to the next point.
Yes, sir.
Now, all of you see this thing. You are able to realize this thing? ये क्या है? All of you have seen a dice वो like निशाने पे मारते हैं ना? Like there is a cross behind that and एक pointed होता है.
Yes,
Getting
sir.
my point? What I am trying to say,
Yes,
all
sir.
of you understanding this thing?
Yes, sir.
You have seen ना वो like games हम लोग खेलते हैं. There is
Sir,
one middle
darts.
point. Darts, sorry. Darts, right? Who told me?
Humera.
Humara. So that is dart, right? So when we play that dart, है ना? So when I throw the dart, what I see behind, वो cross दिखता है ना? So,
Yes,
so
sir.
when I throw, see me, when I throw a dart, that cross na behind, वो हमें नजर आता है, and it is going away from me, right? It is when I see this cross, it is going away from me, right? And for suppose na Abhika has the pen na, Abhika. Now take out your pen,
Yes, sir.
and take this pointed one in front of me, okay? And now you throw my, है ना? आप just imagine करो कि आप हमको throw कर रहे हो, right? Just imagine that, right? So what you can see this pointed point. ये आपको pointed नजर आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
I'm throwing to Adit, okay? I'm throwing to Adit. So Adit की तरफ आ रहा है ना? Adit की तरफ आ रहा है ये, this pointed one.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to say, come to that point directly. Whenever you will see this cross line, it means that the magnetic field is going into the page. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And the next, if you get this dot, it means the magnetic field is coming out of the page. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, the situation is, come to this Fleming's left-hand rule. All of you know now. Tavisha, you are here. Tavisha. Now come to the point. All of you ready? So we have left-hand rule, right? So which one
Yes,
is
sir.
magnetic? Which one is magnetic field?
Index finger.
Index finger. So from this page, the magnetic field going into the page or out of the page?
Into.
Into the page. So
Into.
take this hand out. Take this hand out. Magnetic field. This one. अब सब ready हो जाओ. On your camera. On your camera, all of you. Then only you will able to realize. On your camera and see this cross. This cross is showing what? This cross is showing that the magnetic field going inside, right? इसके अंदर जा रहा है, right now? And now for suppose I take a positive charge. I do what? I take a positive charge. Getting my point? अभी current, I was taking current carrying wire ना. In case of current carrying wire में क्या flow करता है? Positive charge, right? All of you write the code of today, HTML.
सर पर करंट में इलेक्ट्रॉन
हाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो करता है. First see The direction of the current is the direction of positive charge. So if suppose I take a positive charge and throw like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I throw in this direction. Okay, I take a positive charge and throw in this direction, right? So what will happen? Current is generating in this direction. Magnetic field is going in this direction. What will happen? Think. Magnetic field going inside, and I throw this plus charge.
Sir,
I throw
his,
this plus charge in this direction. Means plus charge means this one current
your
direction.
voice is not clear.
Muhammad, bacha, like mute yourself. All of you mute yourself.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
All of you mute yourself, bacha. Mute yourself. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Fine.
Sir,
Fine.
your voice is lagging.
So I think I should continue in the next class, right? This topic, right? Okay. So from here now, I will repeat the same in the next class. Okay. Tomorrow I will take math class, circle class that we have done in Friday. And today also, whatever done now, I will discuss all those things in short form. And this, like I will continue this on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. Soon I will start isomer and these things also. Fine, guys. I write the code of today, HTML, and send to your mentor teacher if your mentor teacher
Sir,
is
what's the
different, right? HTML. Okay.
Sir, what is the code?
HTML, bacha. HTML. HTML. All of you can leave the session, right? Bye. Bye. Keep studying.